Hey guys, what's going on? This is Arizona EDC, bringing you that heat. First things first, let's go over my carry today. And here's a centerpiece. I've talked about it before. Same thing, my Canoe X pliers was my Concept Main Street and Alta. Sorry guys. That. I have my cross. And put that bad boy over here. I have my Canoe right here. Yesterday's video did a terrible job in showing it. After watching my own video, hours after posting it, again, I realized that I did a terrible job, so here it is. In all its glory, this is the butt canoe. I like this little thing, it's cool. A little snappy, and a great price, so can't beat it. And then, I've been carrying this guy today. I love this knife. It's like my first good knife, I'd say, like really good knife. The Lowe Banter, and I bought the titanium scales, the Micarta scales right off their website. So I love this bad boy. And then also, I wanted to show you guys, I do carry this in my back pocket. It's like a wallet type thing. I have my cards in here. I have a couple of my stickers. I have the case card. And then I do take notes in here. I do use it actually. So I use it for work. So, you know, this is something I use all the time. So I do have my cards in there. There's another pocket right here. Nothing in the back, but I made this too. So it's pretty cool. I hand stitched all the stuff. I have a brown one also. But the black one, for some odd reason, is a tiny bit taller with the leather that I got. And so the book fits better in there. So I've been carrying this for weeks now. So just thought I'd show you guys, because stop being scared and show it off, you know. But I also do have a sticker swap, and a shout out to my friend. She's freaking awesome. One of the few she's in the knife community. We're talking about Stacy over at Bolstered Blades. She got me a few stickers. Check her out. She gave me a lot of stickers. Very, very cool. Thank you, Stacy. If you haven't subscribed to her channel, please check her out. She has great content. She likes to post some nice pictures. I have her on Instagram. She does some good work on there too. So please, I'll tag her and make sure you guys add her, subscribe. You know, let her know I sent you. I appreciate that. And she left me a little note. Thank you. Appreciate that also. Hope you got my stickers in. But so let's move on to what this video is about. As you guys know, I love my little multi-tools, right? I always carry them. I always have them on me. We're talking about this guy right here. I posted a short on this, and I wanted to go over a little bit more in detail. This is from Lowe's. It's I think it was $13.98. So that's not a bad price. That's pretty cheap. So check it out. And it's different, and we'll get into it and the why. So here we go. Sorry guys, got a mess over here. So this guy right here is different because the main tool is a PVC cutter. Unlock it. There you go. So if you're into that and that's your field, your trade, these things come in real handy, you know. It's only I think it was a 10-in-1 tool, but still, that color is nice. You know, that cobalt blue right here, and it's a great price. When I first seen it, I was like, oh, that's cool. And it has your saw, your Phillips, your bottle opener, can opener. Let's go to the other side. A file, a flathead, some kind of like, maybe like scraper type deal right there. Another blade. And of course, your knife. So that's nice. All the tools do not lock, though. They're not locking. Snaps in pretty good, but the blade on here is actually awesome. Very cool, very cool. Put that away. Get back into the main tool. Like I said, it's locking. And it's made for cutting PVC. It's 10-in-1. It's from Lowe's. It's very cool. You guys know I'm a multi-tool guy. So I thought it was important to share this guy. Let me know what you guys think about it. I think it's awesome. It's different. It has its group of people it's made for, which makes it even more awesome, you know? Look at that. Very nice. You can compare it to in size to it is a little beefier than other multi-tools, I'd say. Here it is next to my Gordon, so it is pretty big, you know. It's a beefy boy. As my mom would say to me and my brother, you guys are too big. So, still cool. Color's nice. Has your main tools. I like that it's locking though. That's good. That's awesome. That's locking, you know. Other than that, not much you can say about it. It's very, very basic, but has its main function, and I think has its place out there. Check it out. It's at Lowe's. Great price, under 15 bucks. So you can't beat it. I'm glad I found it at the shop. I'm not keeping it. I'm bringing it back, guys. I'm not taking it. So appreciate you. Appreciate you, Stacy. Check her out at Stacy's Bolstered Blades. You guys have a good weekend. This is Arizona EDC. Signing out.